before starting any woodworking project. It's important to have a clear design in mind. Sketching and designing is a crucial step in the woodworking process. In this video, we'll be covering some basic sketching and design techniques that beginners can use to get started. The first step in designing a project is to sketch a rough design. This can be done in a sketchbook or on a piece of paper. It's important to consider the function and aesthetic of the project and make note of any measurements and dimensions. Once you have a rough design, it's time to refine it and make it more detailed. This can be done by using a pencil to add more details to the design, such as measurements and notes. This will help you to have a clear idea of what the final project will look like. To ensure accuracy in your design, it's important to use a ruler to draw straight lines and make precise measurements. This will help you to create a design that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Once you have a detailed design, you can use a computer to create a 3D model of your project. This can be done using design software such as SketchUp or AutoCAD. This will give you a better idea of how the final project will look and help you to visualize the finished product. With these basic sketching and design techniques, you can create a wide variety of projects, from small items like birdhouses and picture frames to larger items like bookshelves and tables. Remember to take your time and practice to master each technique, and you'll be able to create beautiful and functional woodwork. So grab your sketchbook and pencil, start designing and sketching. Remember to take your time, be safe, and have fun. Happy woodworking!